Today, very wonderful story that might be you all will connect with this. There were three friends. तीन दोस्त थे और तीनों एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते थे. They used to inspire each other with their work and with their goal setting and everything they used to discuss with each other. So एक उनमें से डॉक्टर बनना चाहता था, दूसरा इंजीनियर बनना चाहता था और जो थर्ड वन था वो सोचता है कि मैं ऐसा क्या करूं जो थोड़ा सा अलग हो. So he was little bit differently acting that what I have to do, and he engaged himself with more and more his interest and which he likes to do all the time. So he was exploring a lot. So जो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता था उसने क्या किया? He started going to visit those best hospitals of our country where he should understand how the best doctor works. Same way the engineer who wanted to become, he started going to the places which was actually discovered by best engineer of our country, and both of them started meeting to the famous personality of doctor and engineer. ये दोनों अपने इस गोल सेटिंग में लग गए. जो तीसरा था उसने क्या किया? वो बस जो उसको पसंद था वो उस रास्ते में निकल पड़ा. He used to explore every time. He used to go to the new places. He started finding that what is missing, what I have to do the differently, which is missing in our country, where the country need my help, where the society need my help. So these are the way three of them have started doing. After few years, one of obviously the person who wanted to become the doctor, he became one of the best doctor. Okay, and the person who wanted to become an engineer, he became very good engineer. And what about the third? No one was aware of. He was somehow missing actually. So both of them, the friends, they thought that might be he lost with his dream and goal because he was not planned properly the way they both have planned. After a few years, they have read an article in newspaper. That time they were shocked. Who was he? That was their friend only. So what was that article? He was the founder of an NGO who used to give the best service in field of education to the poor kids. So ये दोनों दोस्त जो एक डॉक्टर हैं, इंजीनियर हैं, बहुत सक्सेसफुल है. बट यहाँ पे जो तीसरा फ्रेंड है वो आज के डेट में एक बहुत बड़े NGO का फाउंडर है जो काफ़ी सारे गरीब बच्चों को समाज में वो स्थान दिला रहा है जिससे वो पढ़ लिख कर कुछ कामयाब बन सके. So the way he used to think differently, he has done differently. And now both of the close friends were reading about his story. So why did I tell this story to you all? As I said, you should know the best story of anyone's life. And what is the best story? When you create your own best story. तीनों दोस्त, एक डॉक्टर बना, एक इंजीनियर बना, एक फाउंडर बना. तीनों अपने अपने रास्ते में बहुत सक्सेसफुल हैं. बट यहाँ पे जो डॉक्टर बना वो दूसरों की स्टोरी से इंस्पायर हुआ. इंजीनियर बना वो भी दूसरों की स्टोरी से इंस्पायर हुआ. जो तीसरा फ्रेंड था, he made his own story to influence the society and our country. So this is who has to understand what type of story you wanted to give to this world, to the next generation and to this country. You want to share the other stories and you want to add one more story which should be created by you. So children, to everyone, to students, I just wanted to tell that in our life we face lot of challenges, lot of hurdles, lot of obstacles, but we have to understand those who do the things differently, people will criticize, people will sometime will appreciate, people sometime will come with lot of allegation, but you should understand if you do your duty properly, if you do the duty with the honesty, so you will create your own story. So you should understand, do the hard work, follow the path of honesty, and create your own story by doing the different things. If we copy what the others have done, I'm not saying that don't learn from the others, because we have to take the example of other, but we should understand we need the creativity in our society. We have to understand how we should do the service to the society. For that, you have to go in a different path. When you are going in the different path, yes, lot of hurdles will come, but that is for the different people only who has the guts and power to just overcome from that difficulties. Because if you take any examples, those are very successful, those story you are sharing, they all have seen the tough time in their life. हम आज तक किसी के भी स्टोरी को अगर हम ले, चाहे अब्दुल कलाम, चाहे आप नरेंद्र मोदी, चाहे आप महात्मा गांधी, चाहे आप भगत सिंह, सबके ज़िंदगी में बहुत तकलीफ़ें आए, बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ बोले भी हैं। किसी को हम जब वे थे तब महान इतना नहीं बोले, बट बाद में उनके काम से, उनके ड्यूटी से पीपल हैव गिवन लॉट ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट. Yes, they have done totally different from the others. So learn from the others, but act what you wanted to do, how you have to just do something new for the society. You can't be the copycat of the others. If you are good at something, obviously other person won't be good at that. So what is unique in you, what is good in you, which can serve the society, you have to find that path instead of just doing the same thing which is happening everywhere. Because we are human beings, we have our mind and brain who can instruct you to create your own story. So I wish we all can create our own story to guide and to give the path to fulfill everyone's dreams. So thank you so much, and just create your story as soon as possible.